Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to generate countertop in kitchen. Let's try it together. Step 1. Enter Generate Countertop page. Go to Interior Design Tools. Select Advanced Tool, Kitchen and Bath. Then select the Generate Countertop from the top toolbar. Step 2. Select Cabinets as need. After entering the Generate Countertop page, the tool will automatically identify the cabinets that need to generate countertops. You can also press and hold Shift to select multiple cabinets for generation. If you need to identify all cabinets, you can click Auto Select. Step 3. Set countertop parameters. Select Add Front Edge, Backsplash and Countertop material in the right basic panel. After adjusting the specific parameters, click Generate. Step 4. Adjust countertop generation range. If you need to freely adjust the range of the countertop generation, click Manual. Edit in the top bar to enter the manual mode. Switch to 2D mode. Use the drawing tools on the top bar to edit edge and add rectangle. You can manually edit points, lines and surfaces, or enter values for precise adjustments. After the adjustments are completed, click Generate, then click Finish to exit the Generate Countertop interface. The Generate Countertop effect is as follows. That's all, thanks for watching.